Venkatesh Rao from Vishakhapattanam, Andhra Pradesh, India. I am using Homeopathy since 15 years. It was very useful in my practice. The main beauty of the Homeopathy is recording symptoms in a proper way, and where we can analyze in a different manner. Another thing is you can record the symptoms and you can use directly, you can paste it into the case sheet, which is a very useful thing. You need not type it again and again. While narrating the narration of the patient itself, the symptoms where you can record and you can directly take the symptoms into a regular follow-up case, which is a very useful thing.
For more details and deeper understanding, please contact us on info@mindtechlive.com or visit our website homepath.com and mindtechlive.com.